1. Shopkick. Shopkick is receipt scanning cashback app that's pretty unique. Here on this app, you can earn money through cashback offers. All you need to do is just buy the item, scan your receipt, and you're all set. If you shop online, you can earn you money by linking your account. There are hundreds of offers at any given time. But you'll get even more money when you scan product barcodes, walk into certain retail stores, or refer friends. Shopkick uses a point-based system, and these points are called kicks. 250 kicks are equal to $1. Walking into stores will earn you 25 kicks. Scanning barcodes will earn you a further 15 to 50 kicks per code, while receipt scanning will pay you 100 to 500 kicks. And referring a new user is worth 250 kicks. You need 500 kicks to get a $2 Amazon gift card. The Amazon gift cards are also available in increments of $5, $10, and $25. 2. Drop. Drop is a unique cashback app that doesn't require any receipt scanning. In this platform, you will earn cash back by linking your credit and debit cards to the secure app. When you use these cards at certain stores, you earn cash back in varying amounts. The app has a ton of bonus opportunities for additional earnings. These include a $1, 1,000 point sign-up bonus using referral code Frugal for less, a $1, 1,000 point bonus for every friend you refer, a bonus for linking your first card, a bonus for following Drop on social media, a bonus for making your first purchase with a linked card, and a bonus for confirming your email address. Drop uses a point-based system, and you earn a certain amount of points per dollar you spend. The amount varies with each retailer. For example, Starbucks may offer 15 points per dollar spent. 15 points per dollar spent equate to 1.5% cash back. Your points will be automatically added to your Drop balance when you make a purchase. When you've earned 10,000 points, you can redeem them for a $10 Amazon gift card. This means getting your first gift card is easy if you complete all of the easy bonus offers. 3. Ibata. Ibata is one of the favorite apps for scanning grocery receipts to earn cash back. Here on this website, you will earn money through cash back when you buy specific brands of everyday products. Examples of such products include groceries, cosmetics, and cleaning supplies. Ibata partners with hundreds of brands, so there are thousands of earning opportunities for you at any time. As a new user, you also get a $10 sign-up bonus when they scan their first receipt. You also get $5 for referring new users. There's no confusing point system, and you'll likely find products and brands you already love. You need a minimum account balance of $20 to redeem for an Amazon gift card. Surprisingly easy to earn free Amazon gift cards with Ibata. Most reviews confirm that you can earn 1 to 2 gift cards per month if you use the app in your shopping every time. 4. Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is very similar to Ibata. Here, you will buy products, scan your receipts, and earn cash back. Fetch Rewards allows you to buy products anywhere you'd like. Though there aren't as many listings as Ibata, but you'll still find dozens most of the time. Many users report earning 25 cents to $2.50 per product. While most offers seem to be worth a few hundred points, you can also earn points by signing up using referral code HH3MN, $1.50 bonus, referring other users to the app, $1.50 bonus, one-time bonuses which amount varies, products are worth a certain number of points, and 1,000 points are equal to $1. Each product has the points value listed next to it. For example, a product that is 250 points is worth 25 cents. You need 3,000 points to redeem for a $3 Amazon gift card. And you can also choose from $5, $10, $25, and $50 Amazon gift cards. 5. Top Cashback. Top Cashback is a cashback portal for online shopping. Here, you can use it in a browser or download the official app. It's one of our favorite cashback apps for many reasons. Top Cashback partners with more than 4,000 online retailers. They also offer high cashback amounts, with current offers are as high as 40% cashback. There are occasional $5 or $10 bonuses available for new users. Their Refer a Friend program gives you $10 for every successful referral you make. Top Cashback offers a 5% payment bonus when you cash out for Amazon gift cards. There's no minimum threshold to meet for free Amazon gift cards. You can use your account balance to request gift cards whenever you want. 6. Be Frugal. Be Frugal is an excellent cashback portal that is similar to Top Cashback. Be Frugal partners with more than 5,000 online stores to reward you for shopping. There are opportunities to earn 40% cash back through certain retailers. You also get automatic access to coupons to help you save money while you shop. Be Frugal offers a $10 sign-up bonus to all new users. They also give you a $10 bonus for every successful referral you make. You and your referrals have to earn at least $10 in cash back before you access your bonus money. There's a bonus cashback section where you can find limited time offers for high cashback amounts. You need a minimum account balance of $10 to get a $10 Amazon gift card. And you also get a 1% bonus when you get paid via Amazon gift cards. 7. Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog is somewhat like Fetch Rewards. Here, you earn money by purchasing certain products, but it doesn't matter where you buy them. Each item is worth a specific amount of points, and you get them once you scan your receipt. You can boost your earnings by signing up with promo code ZUS1319, playing a casino-style game called Hog Slots, being eligible for weekly bonuses and leveling up based on your app usage. Receipt Hog uses a point-based system, and points are called Hog Coins or coins. And each coin does not have a set value. The more points you have, the more they are worth. 1,000 coins are worth $5, 2,900 coins are worth $15, 4,300 coins are worth $25, and 6,500 coins are worth $40. Once you have 1,000 coins, you can redeem them for a $5 Amazon gift card. The coin and dollar amounts listed above are also available.